Hey everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars, and this is our 2013 63 registered BMW M135i. It's a 5-door auto model. It's finished in Sapphire Black, 65,000 miles, 6 services. Absolutely mint. Totally unabused, standard, not messed about with, not tweaked. Just an honest, genuine car. It's got your adaptive Xenon lights, your 18-inch wheels, privacy glass, or your standard 135 spec. It is as clean as a whistle. Rear parking sensors. That's just a bit of condensation off the exhaust from having it running. Two brand new Kumo tyres on the back. Just been serviced, health checked. Done a rocker cover gasket actually on this. They're quite common if you're looking at buying one of these. Do check that they're not leaking oil. And this one's all done. Absolutely stunning. Let's show you inside. You may or may have not already spotted it has got the coral red leather. Need the key to get in there. There we go. So the boot area is all lovely and clean with no nasty smells, and the split folding rear seats, and the genuine floor mats, and the parcel shelf. So as I was just saying, we do have the coral red Dakota inside, which honestly, you don't get a better combo than this in my opinion. And these seats are mint. Look at those. Got the Isofix in the back as well with the rear electric windows. And the same in the front, obviously. Tiny bit away on the driver's bolster, but overall, lovely. Got the Harman Kardon, folding mirrors, auto lights and wipers. With the paddle shift. Let's just start the car up. So as you can see, there are no warning lights. Everything illuminated and went out as it should. And the mileage is 65,795, which is all verified. It's all genuine. Got your Pro Nav Media with your DAB radio, including your Bluetooth audio just here. Your navigation, and that's us just off Meadow Lane in Loughborough. Your Bluetooth phone. Show you your vehicle information. Engine oil level is okay. Service requirements, saying it needs rear brake pads in 3,100 miles, but I beg to differ. We'll double check them, but this has already been on the ramp and had its health check. Loads of service history. I've also got the remainder in the office here in the paper. No faults, as you can see there. Further down, we've got your stereo and your dual climate control with your heated front seats. Just there. I don't need them on. Cup holders, sports transmission, iDrive controller. Just check out the condition of all of this in the centre. Very well cared for car. Got your USB and auxiliary under the armrest. Glove box. And that is that. I'll say it again, this is just a nice, unmolested, totally standard M135i. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you do require finance, we can help with that. Thanks for watching.